Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the serene Republic of Venice, where it's a little bit more serene than it has been in the past. We still, there's still stuff to do. We still are in two wars, but you know, we're gonna get into a couple of things. It's a big game, all right? It's a paradox title. There's a lot to talk about. So a quick recap, as quick as I can pull this off. Okay, so we have a battle going on over here of two of my destroyers, or actually, how much are in here? Anyway, it's a bunch of corvettes and destroyers, just slowly busting apart this station. It's kind of funny. We have a few fleets missing in action, and when they're when they're back, we're just going to send them to Venice and do that. We have inactive buildings. We can't really do much about that. We have a diplomatic insult from Castile. Let's see what they have to say. Look at yourselves. What is that thing on your face? Some kind of stomach? Wait, is that even your face? How can you not see that you Venetians are an affront to nature? Well, which is funny, because we're actually really attractive. But that's okay. We'll get you. It'll happen. Don't you worry. Okay, we've been surveying. Okay, so I set our science ships to work. One of them's gonna go and do that, and one of them is right there. Is gonna do a bunch of stuff more in our territory, and then head up on here, head up into here if it needs to. Oh, one last thing. Survey that. I think it's, oh wow, plus 99 orders. It can't take any more orders. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, and I just wanted to point out again, the only Gaia worlds that we have found are right here, and they're all holy. I'm pretty sure. We'll find out for sure, but I'm pretty sure they're all holy because they have names like Pristine Jewel and Emerald Mausoleum and Walled Garden. I want to know what happened over here, but yeah, Holy Gaia worlds. Anyway, and then fleet combat. That doesn't really matter. We finished our war against the Aztec Empire, and there's something, I ended up taking a quick look at some things. So you see, not those guys. You see these guys. That's not it either, but they're the folks we're looking for. I think it's this one. Looking for a specific world. Here we are. Remember Fenhalor. So this is actually the home world of these folks. These are the Beldross. And they were once part of a plutocratic oligarchy, and they were honor-bound warriors. And we were actually becoming pretty good friends with them until the Aztecs ate them. So I ask you, what is better than being in a what's closer to being in a plutocratic oligarchy than being part of the serene Republic of Venice? I mean, it's just perfectly natural. So what we actually just did is we liberated them from the Aztec Empire, and now they're free. They're part of a nice, lovely democracy. They can do whatever it is that they want to do. They can actually move if they want. They probably won't because this is their home system, but they can move if they want. So there's that. Oh, and there's a spaceport, which I think the Aztecs must have rebuilt, and then maybe we never busted that up. Whatever. Anyway. Okay, what else is going on? I queued up a little bit of construction on our planets. Some of our fleets are missing in action, as I mentioned. One of our construction ships I decided to have come on over here. Hang on. There we go. We're finally going to build an influence station over here, or a frontier outpost over here. We have to do it. It gets us a lot of stuff. I think it's going to get us all of this. I was debating whether or not to put it here or here, and there's a chance that if we do things right, we could... Anyway, I don't want any more sectors than I have to have. I'd like to have this all just be like one big sector. So there's that. we're spying on people and uplifting them, so that's fun. Wow. 72 people in Castilian Patriarchs. I managed them. They're fine. They're fine. And, oh yeah, and the Zara sector got literally everything. So, there's that. Zara sector is crazy. We're getting 322 minerals per month. And we're getting just way too many energy credits. Excuse me. Although I believe, actually I wonder, if our fleets are missing in action, are we paying for them? That's a good question. I wonder, that may be why we're earning so much money. So, yeah, I think that may be it. Yeah, that'll go up. Okay, cool. Well, we're gonna get that going. Some of our biggest fleets are missing in action. Actually, our biggest fleets are missing in action. So the plan now is, once the fleets come home, we will upgrade them and heal them in Venice. And then we're gonna beat the snot out of Korea. Or do we want to beat the snot out of Korea? Let's beat the snot out of Korea for a little bit. Let's just finish the war with Korea. Because we're also still at war with the Papal States, so we need to do something about that. Yeah, oh, and I just wanted to point out, the poor Iroquois, they become president, and then all they have to do, like, they probably wanted to declare their own war, but too bad, I already had a war going, and they didn't get to do pretty much anything except fight my war for me. So, good work. Let's go. Oh, and I quit the program quickly. Canogian Imperial States. Oh, yeah, our little vassals. The Smug Slugs. We aim to establish an embassy in Venezia for the future betterment of Genogian Venetian diplomacy. Good! Since you're going to be mine someday. Okay, and our fleets appear to be arriving again. Arriving back. No, not yet. What do we got? Whoa! The Byzantine Republic has declared the Korean Directorate their rivalry. Don't forget, the Byzantine Republic is still at war with Finland. So, good times. Finland has ended their rivalry with the Aztec Empire, which is interesting. Oh, hey, hang on. I wish it would tell me when these guys are no longer at war. Okay, so the Koreans are no longer at war with Finland. Interesting. I think they won, actually. That's fine. Yeah, and then the Aztec Empire has ended their rivalry with Finland. Well, that's very nice. When my fleets come back. When do I get my fleets back?
Station under attack.
Where? Could you tell me where? I wish they would do that. It's like station under attack. Somewhere. I don't know. No idea where. Oh, here. Nope. That's a construction ship. See, this is what I'm talking about. Where is my station under attack? Because I have no clue. Okay, well, we'll just pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Finland has declared the Byzantine Republic their rival. Yep. Ah, here we go. Let us end the charade. Of course, and the Aztecs rival us. It's a little late there, kids. How's their fleet strength? Have they... No, they still haven't rebuilt. I played with some of my stations. I've been upgrading my stations a whole lot over there. Orbital research mandate. Probably not going to be able to pull that. Although, actually... Hang on. Construction ship Da Vinci. Come up here instead. Move here. We might actually be able to pull that. Oh, that's only one. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, we only need one, though. Interesting. Oh, yeah, what was my situation log? Just more debris? Okay. Embassy is established. Ah! The Habsburgs wanted to establish an embassy with me, which is interesting. They're still at war. Their fleet power is equivalent. Interesting. I wonder if they're winning their war. I would love it if they just joined our little group. That would be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. You know, we may end up winning by just taking over everything. Just making everything ours. But it's hard to do that in a non-aggressive federation. Unless we just set up all the wars, just get them all going. When is our fleets are back? Okay, and all of a sudden, yeah, we're not making as much money. Okay, that explains it. We're not maintaining fleets that we can't, see. Merge. Guys, come home. Oh yeah, that's right. Come home. Actually, I upgraded the fleet designs a while ago. We've been fighting with largely old designs. So there's that.
System survey complete. Construction complete. Station under attack.
Where is my station under attack? I don't even know. Don't even know. Okay, good to know. There's an arid world there. Yeah, arid worlds are going to take a little while before we can do anything with them. Where is my station under attack? I have no idea. Oh, is it there? No, probably not. Wait, is it? Looks like it might be, actually. That might be it. It might be the station attacking this thing.
Construction complete.
Do anything?
Situation log updated.
Yep. Yep, that's what happened. The spaceport just keeps blowing up construction ships. It's pretty great. After seeing the advanced weapons that our security forces are equipped with, several generals from the subterranean alien empire on Trau have come forward requesting that we share some of our military technology. Our own officers are hesitant to do this, as it would make the aliens more difficult to defeat in battle should it ever come to that. If we refuse the request, however, the aliens are certain to view it as an insult. Subterranean tech provision. Modifier added for 12 months, gaining the following effects. Engineering output minus 30%. That's well... Is that just the station? Yeah, that's just that planet. They are our friends, share what we can. Let's see if that's a good idea. Let's find out. Might as well just beat the crap out of them later if... I mean, it'll be a good reason to put our psi-warriors to the test, right? Do we have any psi-warriors? Psionic armies. We're getting there. We are getting there. There is clear evidence that a massive space battle took place in close orbit of Arcturus 5A at some point in the last 5,000 years. The surface on one side of the moon is pockmarked with craters from stray weapons blasts, and scans from the Schiaparelli have picked up several hulks on the ground. Though these wrecked ships are all in very poor condition, the fact that anything remains at all after the damage... Anyway, we get... Oh. Mount Graveyard Expedition.
Situation log updated.
Can we do it? No, because he already moved on. Is there a time limit? No, I don't think so. We'll do it later. We'll do it later. Actually, no, hang on. Do it last. You're gonna go do all that stuff, and then you're gonna go and do that. It's gonna be great. Okay. And what do we got? Trade deal with the Teutonic Order has timed out. I don't know what that was, but let's see. Yes, we are still at war. Don't forget that. Offer trade deal. Research agreement? That's not what it is. They don't care about that. Migration access. Yeah, we gotta pay for that. You don't care about money, do you? Monthly transfer of money. Oh yeah, you do. You do care about money. How about 6 gold per month? How's that sound?
Station under attack.
Again? The same thing. Cool. Oh, inactive buildings. Yeah, people moved. Mm-hmm. That explains it. Yep. Keeping Sabanico operational is going to be kind of tricky. Yeah, it's okay. We'll figure it out. When
Situation log updated.
When is the next election? 2,300. Oh, at the end of this month. Yeah, we're not going to be able to fulfill that mandate, which is really too bad, actually. Situation log. What do you got? More debris. No. No. Silly. We are going to get some debris from the Koreans, but it's going to be a little bit.
Ships upgraded.
Excellent.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Upgraded. Construction complete.
Finish? Oh, they're repairing. Okay.
Construction complete.
Scientists... somebody has leveled up. Very good.
Station under attack.
Again? Yep.
Construction complete. Situation log updated.
More debris. Yeah. Now, here's the thing. I don't actually know where the fleet is for, Oh, good. You're doing that debris. I don't even know where the fleet is for the Koreans. So, we'll have to see what happens. We have 5% war score. I wonder why. Building has been ruined by the Aztec repatriarchs. Yeah, we knew that was going to happen. No construction ship. Yes, stay there for a second. Alliance invitation. Oh, the Aztec Empire joined the Beneficial Entente, along with Ulm. What? Oh, interesting. So now, Ulm, let's take a look. Ulm is allied with the Democratic Valamax League, the British Republic, and the Aztec Empire. So taking any of this... Oh. Oh. Britain took... Oh, well, actually they... Republican British colonies. Yeah, because how's that ever worked out for you? Okay, so... I think this may have to go to a white peace. This war with the Papal States. Unless... Yeah, we can't get anything out of them. Let's just offer white peace. Let's just get out of this war. Because everything we wanted got swallowed. Or actually got liberated by the British.
Construction complete.
Okay, there you go. Okay, the fleets are finished repairing. Let's take a quick gander here. Let's group them all up. And then let's see what it says here. Okay, no upgrading. No upgrading, no repair. Okay. Beneficial Entente. Oh my goodness. What are the Republican British colonies going to do? That's my question. Teutonic Order. Nope. I'm gonna recall an embassy here. Big Blue Blob. Nope. Huh, where are my embassies? Not really, where are my embassies? Contacts. Us. Embassies with Habsburgs, British, Byzantines, and Genogian. Genogians are ours. Let's pull the back from the Brits. Recall embassy. Thank you. They only like us by 16. The threat. Oh my goodness. The threat is nuts. Well, this is going to get interesting, because we're going to take them down. We're going to go after them at some point. We're going to go after them. And when we do, we're going to be going up against the Aztecs. So that's going to be fun. Ooh. Oh, I want this world, but I can't get it right now. Yeah. Once this war's over, we're going to start pushing a bunch more colony ships out this direction. finish sort of swooping up this area. That'll be nice. Okay, so we're only in one war. Actually, what do I mean when this war is finished? Never mind. Venezia, I want 3 colony ships, please. Actually, I want 4. Yes, I want 4 colony ships. I can actually afford that too, I'm pretty sure. What else do I want? So there's going to be Ocean World there, Ocean World there. Yeah, I think I only want 3 of those. So Venezia, kidding, just kidding about that one. So I want Ocean World here, Ocean World there. And then I'll want 2 continental worlds. That's the thing. And then the 3rd ocean world is gonna go over here. Right there. Now, what kind of continental folks do we have? Oh, where are the Teldrakians? Do I have any worlds with Teldrakians on them? I should. Spalato. Nope. That's interesting. They have a Polish growing there, but there's no Poles that... Yeah, anyway. Okay, Zubir. No, that's the wrong one. That's Arctic. Do I have any good continental worlds? Yes, I do. You guys are really unhappy. You guys are really unhappy. Holy crap. Let's throw together propaganda broadcasts. Let's do both of these. Let's do re-education campaigns and propaganda broadcasts. And now... Oh wow, it's... Never mind, I shouldn't have wasted that last part. They're a little bit happier now. Wow, these people are pathetic. Whoa. Super crazy unhappy. 53% is about the best you're gonna get. Oh, because we're at war. Oh yeah, well we can fix that. Now let's build us a couple colony ships. Do we have any Xenophiles? Okay, well we don't want any Xenophobes, that's for sure. Some Spiritualists would be nice. Fanatic Xenophobes. Ugh, you people. I think it's gonna have to be these guys. Yeah, those two. Okay. Yeah, we're doing the expand crazy into the world thing again. Continental world up here. We might do that actually. What else do we have that's continental? Yep, one more colony ship. We're gonna have 6 colonies going. We're gonna be losing money, but we probably should be losing money. So there's that. Okay. Okay. When are you gonna be done? Frontier outpost 50, 51. Okay, you know what, Third Fleet? I think it's just time. Finland recalled their embassy. Well, guess what? I didn't want to play with you anyway. Big Fleet, come on down. Let's do this.
Construction complete. System survey complete. Debris analyzed. Station
Reanalyzed.
under
Sweet.
attack.
Stormfire cannons. Okay, that's something. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, that's down there in Trinic. Okay, good. And that's the timer. I'll wait until the third fleet gets down here. I want to see...
log updated. Construction complete.
I want to see a battle here. What do we got? Powerful pop factions. What do we got? Castile, you know what? Yeah, you got 71 people. Oh, yeah, I don't have any... Never mind. I don't have any influence to give you. Oops.
Construction complete.
They're at 30%, huh? Orbital research mandate fulfilled. Oh. I didn't think we would get that. Good work. We've got 175 influence, which is really good, actually. Situation log. What do we got? Oh, it's just more... Yeah. More debris. We have so much debris. And we have a separatist mandate. Nope. Nope. I can't believe the separatism mandate. Okay.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Do you have a fleet? Kind of. I don't know where their fleet went, to be completely honest. Hostile fleet engaged. Where? Are we sure?
Research complete. Station under attack.
Research complete.
Complete.
Oh, improved assist research. Very good. Now, assist research is twice as effective. Very good. Ooh, sentient AI. Nope. Nope. Not touching it. Just not touching it. Ooh, barrier point defense is probably what we're gonna get. Plasma accelerators, though. I do like a good point defense. It's 25 months. That's not bad. So yeah, we just picked up a crap ton of planets, but we did pick up a decent amount of science, so fun times. Now let's go at least blow up some kind of station, right?
Situation log updated.
More debris. Oh man. Wait, what is that? Okay. Come destroy that. Thank you. And Castile insulted us again with the same insult. You know, if you're gonna insult us, at least like pick a different insult. And rivalry. The Byzantine Republic has declared the Ottomans their rival, and actually, in this particular place, actually, you know what? I'm gonna screenshot that. Yeah. I'm going to screenshot that, and then I'm going to screenshot this. Because Ottomans and Byzantine Republic. Things are going to go a little bit differently in this universe than in the real world. Or at least than on Earth.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Sebastiano Cornello has been elected High Priest of Serene Republic of Venice. Oh, yes. Okay. Orbital research mandate. Okay, you know what, we might actually do that. Okay. Oh, and what is he like? He is Corvette focus and energy credits. Ooh, plus 10%. Nice. Active buildings. Yeah. Okay. Let's finish off this thing.
System survey.
Hang on. The Bright Okay, so establish embassy from Venezia, and Bright Concord voted to form a federation. So Ulm. Oh, interesting. So Ulm, Britain, the Aztecs. Who else? Okay, Ulm. Who you got? They're in a federation with... Yep, Democrats, Democratic Valmanax League, whatever it is, the British Republic, and the Aztecs. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. How are the Republican British people doing? They have trade deals with Britain, but we may just have to invade them. That's probably what we're going to do, to be completely honest. Just take them out. Oh, anything good up here? I'll probably just play with all this stuff, like check out what everything is up here once it's all done. Okay.
Research complete.
And research is complete, and
Situation log
there we go.
updated.
Got a little bit of... We're gonna get some debris there, and that'll be good. Yeah, didn't lose anything. Research. Psionic Army. Yes! Okay. And now, I think we're going tile blockers. Yep, tile blockers, 11 months. Okay. So there's some more debris. We'll pick up some more debris. Debris research, excuse me. Let's see what the Koreans have been up to, and we will have our fleet do something fun. Go and blow up, I don't know, something worthwhile that'll get us some war score. But we're gonna have to do that a little later. Until then, though, you know what? I enjoyed myself. We're finally getting at this Korean thing. Although I didn't really enjoy the part where the Brits did what they were gonna do to the Papal States before we could. So, oops! Look who procrastinated too much. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time.